Hey, hey, hey! You know who I am. I'm Fish. Thank you for joining the show. Coming along. Where'd the snow go? It's showtime. So, I went out in it, had a good time, didn't get what I wanted at all, and I gotta go to a different store today, and they open up just a little later. I'll get there, maybe, and see if they got Mystique. Now, I can get it online, $4.59 at Amazon. Sure, but I want to see what they got in stock and go get it before I make my order. I didn't run out. I could get one, I could get two, I could get more. And why do I want Mystique? It's the most flavorful one for the BBQ. I brought out the Rustler. I had to see if I had that spur, the pinion, together, meshed. Normally we take a paper. Yes, I did. I put it on there. I went out for the first run. It lost the mesh. It lost it. I gotta be a little careful. I'm walking on ice. Gotta get to where I need to be at. I went back in, redid it over, cleaned it all up. Yes, indeed. Took the back. Got all that water, snow out. Went out again. And yeah, something happened to the mesh. It wasn't right. And when I was running, I was doing this for a long time. Well, it sounded like a little too harsh to me. Like it was, destroyed. Yeah, I destroyed the mesh. Destroyed the spur gear. I ordered a new one on Amazon. I was going to get the 3 for $10 or 1 for $12, and I could get a $3 one from Traxxas itself with the shipping alone. And I couldn't find it on Amazon for that price. So I got a metal spur gear. I'm thinking, do I really need to have metal on metal? You know what happens to metal on metal. You got to make sure it's right. So I'm going to make sure I get it on right tonight. I'll do a review on it. Sure enough, yeah, that's what I like doing, love doing. And I share it to the world, how to change out a spur. With Traxxas, you can't mess up the mesh because they give you a 13 or 11 and the 17. But I got a 15, and I took out that mesh guide. And that's what happens, man. Take a dollar bill. Put a dollar bill in there, straight in. If you had room, just take a piece of paper, which is a little thicker, hold it nice and strong and make it super tight, that bolt. And that's what I did, and I had problems. Maybe things I do lately are not like I do them like before. You know what I mean. I didn't know Movavi was not an American company. They are a Russian company. And I've used CapCut, watched a number of videos of CapCut, and CapCut does a good job. But I don't know if I'm loving it at all. And I just want to do something very simple and easy, but I want high quality renders. And that may be my problem, not knowing if it's a high quality render. Well, I do see that, that Codec 709, whatever number it is, to be the hot codec, the codec you need for the quality. Does it do HEVC? I don't know. I contacted the company and I, sent them an email and see what they say when they answer me. And we'll go from there. I'm in no rush to get it, but eventually I'm going to switch over to, maybe powerdirector and do that. When my things do come in and I got to take care of business, I want to look a little bit more professional than being professional, if you know what I mean. Well, look, I got to walk on ice again. I'm getting on out of here, and it's a nice vlogging talk to share to you and understand what's happening and all. Let's get on going and see what's happening. electric bicycle. You know, hybrid bike conversion kits. Oh, they're great. I can't wait for the springtime. GoTrex makes a nice electric bike, and man, that looked pretty good behind my butt. I went out on the scooter. I had some fun. I did ride it. I did recharge it by solar. Now it's put away until the better days. Editing. Vlogging and editing, just put them together. You do just fine, Fish. Right now I don't put my camera on the side and walk and talk and do all those cutscenes. I hold it in hand. And yeah, you can hear me right here. Oh look, here's a person that didn't clean that snow and it turned to ice. Oh man, gotta be careful where we walk today. I can't hear this anymore. It don't make sound. And this is an iPhone. Get your act together, iPhone. Apple, that is. Now, I got a problem with it. I want to hear my emails, notifications. I don't know what happens if I'm just going to do a hard reset. Put my phone back to brand new. Will I lose all my applications? I got to load everything up to iTunes. And iTunes will put it all back. I don't want you to lose things like person loses their boots. They didn't lose their boots. They took them off and left them there. Yeah, man, good pair of boots. I gotta wait till July. And that's when I can update my phone. I could do it before. I gotta wait till July. No biggie. Anyway, you know who I am. Yeah, I had fun talking, sharing a story, doing a vlog. More than doing nothing. This show's over. Well, I hope you all have a great day. Hope the weather's good in your area. Hope you're enjoying the fun. It's time to do that job and get it done here. And on that note, I'll catch you on many other videos to come.